How you doing today? So what we have is another beautiful gas and oil product that we just finished a full restoration on. If you watched the previous video, we offered this United States air compressor, and what we did is we did a matching set. So these are both in black and gray. What we're talking about right now is just the air hose reel. So when we got it in, took it all apart, sent it out for sandblasting, brought it back, did our chrome work. We chromed the bracket as well as all of the housing here and all the little rollers. Everything is done absolutely correctly. Once again, it's a matching set. We're offering this one only right now. The other thing is that this at one time had a universal bracket on it. So this could be either set or hung from the ceiling. But what we did is we built a beautiful bracket that holds it up off the ground. It's very, very appropriate size-wise for the little air hose reel. Everything works in it. You can hook this up to your compressor and use it. Once again, this is all done in a car paint, as well as we had our striper come in and did all this by hand. There's no decals, no stickers, no nothing. Once again, this is an absolutely killer set. So I'm thinking this, if a guy's smart and he grabs them both, although we're offering each separately, I think we could get these all on one pallet and probably get you 2-for-1 shipping, because I think we might be able to do that for you. So this is a really outstanding set. Here we go. I'm going to turn this around for you because you need to see the other side, as well as its like on the other side. Works well, holds the air. You can use this piece. This is a stunning set. So if you want them both, you might grab them both because they're matching. Otherwise, we are separating them. You can buy that alone or this alone. And if you buy before noon, typically we can get them out the same day, although I don't know about the pallet blanket wrap thing, but we'll get it out ASAP. Mr. Walker's good at that, and our shippers are number one. Another thing, we're just finishing a 1920s American gas pump. A fellow forever, whoever bought our other one, if you would like a matching one, here we're doing another one, same color, same brand. So this will be up and running here pretty soon. It's got a beautiful, almost mint glass globe in it. Absolutely killer piece. It's coming out of the shop right quick. So if you want the air compressor, it's offered by itself. If you want this, it's offered by itself. Just combine them both. They're both up and running, and you can just buy them both if you'd like, or pick either one. Anyway, great stuff coming out. We're always building good stuff for you folks. Everything's custom around here. We dig doing it, you dig buying it, so everything's good. Anyway, let us know if you'd like it. Anything to say, Mr. Walker?
Yeah, basically the air pump is going to be $300 to ship on our trucking system, because there's no way we're going to put this in FedEx. So if you do buy the compressor together, basically you'll get that shipped for free.
Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.